gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
In the offline smartphone market, we usually see devices that look good on the outside, but don't really offer much power for the price. They tend to focus more on polished looks than actual performance. But the Honor 500 series feels like a real shakeup to that trend, almost as if it's redefining what offline models should be. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The biggest upgrade in the Honor 500 series design is its new rear camera layout, that horizontal DECO module. The Honor 500 Pro especially stands out, not just because of its frosted air column frame, but also because it uses the same unibody cold carved glass technique you see on the iPhone. The DECO piece and the glass back blend together seamlessly, with no awkward lines or breaks, giving the whole back panel a very clean, unified look. The color finish is also on point, creating this crystal-like translucent effect. People often compare it to the iPhone Air, and yes, it does give off similar vibes, but Honor has pushed the design a bit further. It's not about who copies who. There are only so many ways to design a camera module, especially when it has to serve real functional purposes. Apple uses the vertical DECO area to place the motherboard and free up room for battery preheating. Honor follows the same logic, but by rotating the DECO horizontally, they've managed to fit a shorter motherboard, along with telephoto, wide angle, and macro cameras, plus a horizontal SIM tray, and incredibly, an 8,000 milliamp-hour battery. That's a crazy achievement, even compared to its own flagship, the Magic 8 Pro. It almost feels like this mid-range phone is challenging a higher-tier model. This new horizontal DECO design also makes the camera bump feel much more balanced and less bulky in the hand. When it comes to performance, the 500 Pro runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a true flagship processor. It handles heavy games like Genshin Impact with ease. It also includes an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that unlocks ridiculously fast, and it carries IP68, IP69, and even IP69K ratings. These specs are great, but the real wow factor is how Honor managed to fit an enormous 8,000 milliamp-hour battery into such a thin, lightweight body. It feels great to hold, easy to use with one hand, and you can finally leave the power bank at home. After using it for about 2 weeks with constant heavy use almost every day, the battery consistently lasted around 9 hours. Zero battery anxiety. And there's one more feature that's honestly next level. You can plug in a cable from its charging port and reverse charge an iPhone, and it goes beyond 20 watts. It's basically like carrying a sleek power bank with a display just for your Apple device. On top of that, the phone supports 80-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging, rounding out a seriously powerful charging setup. When it comes to displays, Honor has always been one of the best, and the Honor 500 Pro continues that reputation. It comes with a 1.5K Honor Oasis Eye Protection Screen that uses 3840Hz ultra-high frequency PWM dimming. The Oasis screen includes an entire suite of eye comfort features, even options you wouldn't expect on a phone. Honor has also brought over the flagship level golden light detection system to enhance eye protection even further. While the audio performance is fairly standard for an offline focused phone, Honor definitely didn't hold back on the camera side. The main sensor is Samsung's 200 megapixel HP5, which easily handles everyday shooting. You also get a 50 megapixel telephoto lens and an ultra wide angle lens. The primary camera supports CIPA 5.0 super stabilization, allowing it to compensate for shutter speeds as slow as 1.5 seconds. That means it can take in more light at night, giving you clearer, sharper, and more detailed low-light photos. The Honor 500 Pro's live view features are also surprisingly fun. Portrait mode now supports live photos, providing real-time beauty effects and background blur on both the front and rear cameras. You can add different filters on the spot, and when editing photos, selecting a person instantly creates a glasses-free 3D look that makes your social posts stand out. It even supports 4K live photo shooting and lets you convert 4K videos into live view images. In many ways, it includes almost everything the Picasso model offers, and even adds functions that model doesn't have. There's also AI color tracking. If you're taking photos in a certain location and want a specific style, you can choose pictures shot by other people, and the AI will automatically match the exact color tone. You don't have to adjust anything, just tap and it delivers the look you want. With strong hardware backing up the entire camera system, the Honor 500 Pro easily handles daily photography, travel shots, and quick social media check-ins. Posting to WeChat chat moments, or anywhere else is effortless. All in all, my experience with the Honor 500 Pro completely surpassed what I expected. It honestly feels like it reshapes what the Magic series usually represents. You get the same premium design, build quality, and overall feel as the new Magic lineup, but with every feature and internal component thoughtfully included. The core experience has no real weak spots. That wraps up this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.